In order to get this alternator out, you want to remove this bolt here, 10 millimeters. This one I think is also 10 millimeters. Put the nut on here so you don't lose it. Here's the wire connector. These things are made of plastic, which is stupid. Look at it, it's all damaged. You might have to get a new one and connect it onto here. Get the 3/4 socket on that nut. Then you want to pull it down to release the tension on the belt. And there's one more bolt on the bottom of the alternator you got to loosen up as well. Before you tighten the top bolt, make sure that you install the lower bolt first, because you need to adjust the alternator to line up the bolt hole. Bottom one's a 12 millimeter. Top bolt is a 9/16.